guys, it's Simone Cherise and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. Let's go straight into this video. This unit is a 360 Kinky straight lace frontal unit from WowAfrican. Now, I've never really tried Kinky straight hair before, but this is my first time really getting it to a point where I actually loved it. The knots already come bleached, in case you guys are wondering, and we're not going to be using a headband. So instead, I'm going to go ahead and use the adjustable parts of the wig cap and just tighten it so that it lays nice and flat on my head. So this is how the hairline looks. I wasn't really a fan of it, so I went ahead and I just plucked it myself so you can see the huge difference. So to get started with the whole installation process, I am just going to cut off the lace in the front and the back. Now this is a 360 unit, which means you can put it in a ponytail. You can definitely, you have more flexibility to do more stuff with the hair, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do a simple middle part because that's really what I like to do when it comes to my wigs. And at this moment, I'm just gonna cut off the lace just so that it looks as natural as possible and matches my hairline. Now, you guys have seen me use the razor looking tool and I haven't been using that. Well, I didn't use it in this video because sometimes it does get a little bit jagged. Again, guys, this is my first time really trying kinky straight hair, so I was like, should I try my usual method or try a different method? So I just went back to my scissors. You can use either or. I've worked with WowAfrican so many times. You guys know this if you've been following my channel. And I love how their lace usually morphs into my skin. Sometimes I do have issues. It might be lighter or darker, but this particular wig was perfect. To get my wig stuck down and really just to stay in place, I used some Gotta Be Glued. Now, it's been a minute since I've used this for my actual wig installation process, but it does do the job. So I'm kind of taking a break from glue because my hairline is breaking out from bumps. So I went ahead and I went back to Gotta Be Glued. Make sure it is tacky, touch it, feel it, and then go ahead and just press the lace down onto your skin. And then I'm going to repeat the same exact step and process for the next side and kind of go back and forth to make sure that it's as neat as possible and that everything is kind of stuck down. But until then, I'm just going to tell you guys about why I like this unit. So I feel like it really matched the hair kind of looked like it could be mine. And that's the whole point of Kinky Straight. Kinky Straight is supposed to look like, like our hair. You know what I mean when I say our hair? And I feel like this kind of looks really good. Like you can kind of trick somebody if you really wanted to, because the texture just does kind of match mine when my hair is straight and not flat ironed. So with this unit, I didn't even have to flat iron it. I could have, but I didn't have to. So it does curl, in case you guys are wondering. I did curl it off camera. It does curl and it does give that natural look. Now I'm going to use a hot comb. As you guys can see, I am not using the plugged in one. I'm using the one that goes like in that little mini portable oven. So if you are using this, be very careful. Very, very, very careful. The only issue I had with this unit was the top part took kind of a while to get it to lay flat. Okay. I guess that's the point of Kinky Straight. It is kind of puffier texture. It's not as sleek. So you might have to put more work in towards the top. So this is kind of where we are right now. Not completely finished. Now I am going to show you guys two different ways to wear this unit. You can wear it like this with absolutely no baby hairs. I am kind of giving myself little mini, slight, little tiny sideburns. If you don't like this part, totally skip it or cut them as short as possible. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing for the other side. the more you hot comb your hair, the more better it looks, in my opinion, the more flat it looks and the more natural it looks. So a lot of times people are always saying that's so much work, it's so much work. But once you do this once, you can literally put your wig down on a mannequin head and just keep on putting it on your head. You don't have to go back and redo this process until you wash it. So it kind of is like a pro and a con to spend all this time in the beginning. And then you guys see I am using mousse. Now sometimes I put mousse on the top of my hair and then I comb it with a small comb to kind of flatten the top as well. This is also one of my tricks, and it's not new, it's been done before. Have to clarify that with some new people, but and put as much as you want. I mean, don't OD, but put as much as you want because it does not leave the hair dry. It does not leave the hair hard or crunchy. It makes it look very natural. So this is where we are. Clearly, I am fooling myself. My hair looks awesome. It looks amazing. And then I want to show you guys a couple of other things. So I just wanted to play around with the hair to show you guys how flexible of a unit it is. So I did put a little braid in the front and it still looked really amazing. And then you can slide your fingers through your hair and it will still look really good. Now this makeup, don't even ask me about it. Please don't even ask me about it. It started off with me trying to do my eyeliner, and then you know when you get anal and you keep doing the left side then the right side and the left side to match the right side? Yeah, that's what happened, and then it ended up being these stick looking black snakes on my eyelids. So don't do this if you are trying to do eyeliner. And this is my end result. I did go ahead and do some swoopies so you guys can see how both sides look. But if you guys really enjoyed this video, please let me know down below and let's chat, let's talk. But thank you guys for watching this video. All the information for the wig will be down below. Bye guys.